guys, so we got back from our holiday yesterday, and I did mention in my last video, I think, that I would have a pony waiting for me, and it is in this box. I've obviously ripped my address off and stuff, just so that I can video it easier, and yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it. Right, so I have opened it up. So, here we are. Right. So, here you can probably tell who the horse is. It will be in the title of this video, so you probably know anyway. So, just going to open this up. So, here is the certificate that you get with this model, because it is from the Ethereal collection. And there's just a little note from @LivyHorseLover on Instagram. See it? Right, so some newspaper. Okay, so she very kindly included some goodies, which I will also show. So I'm going to start with this here. Right. I was going to time-lapse me getting bubble wrap off, but I actually quite like it, watching this. So unless it takes me a long time, then I won't speed it up. Okay, so here we have a gorgeous custom. Oh my god, the video does not do this justice. Justice. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm really annoyed. Right, I'm going to try and find better lighting because it's a dark bay and it's really, really, really well shaded. Okay, so ignore the fact that I'm now standing up, but this is the better lighting. You can see how gorgeous her shading is. This is amazing. And the eyes are really detailed. It's not going to focus. There you go, just. It's on the Frisian mare mould. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Okay, so we also have these. Here we are. So, oh, this is amazing. This is really detailed. I feel stupid because I'm not 100% sure what this is. Oh, never mind, I know what it is. Hold on. So this, I think, is the other part, and I think it's a cross-country jump. I may be wrong, but I think I get it now. Here, yeah. Right, so this is amazing. Hold on, it's not going to focus. Oh my god, you're going to tell me I wasn't in focus? There we go. Wow. And then it would go like that, because these are where the jump would go. Right. Then we have the Breyer. I will time-lapse me opening this because it may take me a while. Okay, so here he is. All I can say is, oh my god. I love Dapples, and he is just gorgeous. The camera doesn't really pick up the Dapples very well. There we go. All around here. Try and get it to pick it up. No, okay. Yeah, oh my goodness. He is just gorgeous. He is, oh my goodness. I am so happy I brought him now because he is gorgeous. I just want to say, I have ordered from Livy Horse Lover on Instagram before, and she packages them like really nicely so they never get damaged. And yeah, he definitely didn't. He was packaged really nicely. Oh my god, I love him so much. Okay, so typical me didn't realise that I hadn't opened all of the freebies yet. And there's also his base, but I will open that last. So here is the, oh god, my hair, oops, sorry. Here is the Fjord Stallion. Whoa, I was going to repaint him, but I actually might swap him with my current one I've got because he is very good condition. So I may repaint my old one that I currently have. I actually really love this model. He's really cute. Yeah, so that's him. And then we have this. I'm just going to open this off camera because it might be a bit difficult. Okay, so here are the gorgeous handmade things she put in there. So we have a saddle pad, 2 jump poles, a fancy halter that's like an Arabian halter. I may show these on horses just so you get an idea of what they are. 2 halters and a chain, like half chain, half suede lead rope. So yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so I did just unwrap this, and I did film a section on it, realising that I had it this way the whole time, and it's actually this way. Yeah, that's how stupid I am, guys. Right, so here is one of his bases. It says Earth, which is the one he is. Try and get that nicely on camera. Here we go. So yeah, that's very nice. And then it has these, yeah, you can see that, just so it slides nicely on your shelf, I guess. And his second base and then, yeah, so this is his second base, and it fits his hooves nicely. So if you can see the base there, focus is going great today, guys. And he would just stand on it like that. There we go. And just so you can see him on the other base, there. Sorry, didn't mean to get my finger in the dot. There we go. Okay, so this is everything that I got in the package. I just want to say a big thank you to Livy Horse Lover for sending me all this. It's so nice of her, and yeah, I'm so happy with everything. And I want to say thank you to you guys for watching this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!